welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will learn how to move files in Windows 11. It is easy, so let's go. Look, we have 3 files on our desktop. Nobody likes a messy desktop, so let's clean it up. First, open the File Explorer by clicking the File Explorer icon on your taskbar. Best place for Word and Excel file would be on Documents folder. Let's open it. To move a file into another folder, you can simply drag and drop it with your mouse. Press and hold left mouse button on top of a file and move the cursor into the Documents folder as shown. Release the mouse button when the file is on top of the window to move it to Documents. If you wish, you could also move the file by right-clicking on it and selecting the Copy or Cut icon. Then right-click on the Documents folder and select Paste to move the file into Documents. The original file will be preserved if you choose Copy instead of Cut. Thank you for joining us today. If you find our videos useful, please like the video and subscribe to find out other cool things you could do with your computer.